Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Today's topic is about a very trending profession for which maximum students and professionals are curious to know about. The hunting question of how to get a job in the design field, what is the job, what is their scope in the near future, and how well are they paid. So today I'm going to discuss in this topic, therefore be tuned, raise your shoulder, boost your trust, and let's begin. Hi friends, my name is Priyabrata Nikhandia. I'm working as a stress analysis engineer and today I'll be acquainting you with the field of design analysis using CAE. Friends, when we hear the term called design, it literally creates a level of goosebumps in our body, and of course why not, as it is related to plan or specification or construction of an object for the implementation of an activity or process by defining a prototype. But do you actually know the engineering design process involves a large number of series of steps that the engineer have to go through to create a final successful functioning product? It is a highly iterative process and often needs to be repeated so many times in order to come to a satisfactory conclusion. During the series of steps, so many mathematical and physical and engineering science is applied to convert the resources optimally to meet the requirements. So basically, it starts with the generation of an idea about why the product should come out, followed by the design, with a prototype testing along with its verification, and then finally production. This looks simple, but a manufacturing company will take years of efforts, money, and time to execute this process. The company has to begin with an idea and then give it a shape by assigning a design and then verify it and finally launch the product. But what happens when the design does not work after it has been implemented? This will lead to again reinvestigate the cause of failure, which will be again using the precious time, money, and effort. But wait, what if I talk about a process where this can be done with ease and thus which can help us by reducing time, effort, and money? I'm talking about none other than the process of CAE, which is also called computer aided engineering process. The computer aided engineering method is nothing but the computer aided engineering software that is used to simulate the performance in order to improve the product design by analyzing the weakness of a product and optimizing it. It is basically the use of a computer software to simulate the performance in order to improve the product design. CAE thus assists in resolution of engineering problems for a wide range of industries. This includes simulation, validation, optimization of products and processes, and manufacturing tools. It consists of three stages: pre-processing, solving, and post-processing. In the pre-processing stage, the product undergoes the phase of modeling and assignment of physical properties of the design as well as the environment in the form of applied load or constraints. Second, in the solving stage, the model undergoes a simulation run in which it is solved for its solution using an appropriate mathematical formulation underlying the physics. In the third and final step, that is post-processing, the final results are analyzed and presented in a readable format for the review by the engineers. If we talk about the application, it is widely used in industries that support a wide range of engineering discipline. For example, FEM segment that is dominating the market. It refers to the method of discretizing an engineering body that is understudy to numerous nodes and elements and to integrate the results and finally determine the stress and strain and study the dynamic analysis that follow non-linear curve both in the components level and the assemblies level. Second, CAE is also used in CFD cases where CFD refers to the computational fluid dynamics that is used to determine the thermal and fluid analysis. It is also used in the multi-body dynamics to analyze the forces and impacts when different bodies interact with each other. Lots of other things are possible only because of CAE that involves simulation of manufacturing processes like casting, molding, press forming, kinematics and dynamic analysis of mechanism, optimization of products and processes, control system analysis, etc. Now, speaking about the benefits of CAE, first of all, it helps in the product development with the least cost and time, thereby improving product quality with its durability. Thereby, it saves a lot of time and energy and also effort by the designers. The design decisions can be made by their impact performance. CAE thus helps the engineering team to manage the list and understand the performance implication of their design. A lot of time, money, and effort were wasted before during the physical prototype testing, but now the designs can be easily evaluated, redefined using computer simulations, which saves both time, energy, and efforts. Talking about the usage of CAE in various industrial fields, let us discuss the four major industrial fields that CAE is broadly used in. First is the aerospace industries, where it is used to design the space shuttles and aerodynamic structures. Second, in the automotive industries, it is widely used for designing high quality, robust luxury passenger cars, formula racing cars, buses, and trucks. Defense industries. CAE is used to design security and anti-terror equipments that mitigate security lapses. It is also used in the electronic markets for designing various advanced technologies like color noise reduction, backside illumination, high dynamic range. Apart from this, it is also used in the medical field for designing machineries for imaging systems in the healthcare facilities. Speaking about the demand and scope in the mechanical industries, let me first categorize the mechanical companies into three groups. First should be the automobile, second will be the non-automobile, and the third will be the government or PSU undertaking jobs. Where automobile industry is the largest sector that contributes for the maximum number of jobs into the design field. Automobile companies will recruit people only from the Tier 1 colleges like IIT and NIT, but they also conduct walk-ins for freshers provided that the candidate should possess the required knowledge of the tools that the companies want them to. Since CAE relates to the engineering application, thus it has a strong reputation as a verification, troubleshooting and analysis tool, and therefore it gives out an approximate solution for the complex engineering problems. Therefore, the design jobs are currently the most demanded jobs in the mechanical sector throughout the world because of their well package provided by the reputed OEMs, that is the original equipment manufacturers, along with the lifestyle and the work environment that these industries have. Speaking about the scope, the Asia Pacific market is expected to witness a very strong growth over the coming years. This can be attributed to rising government investment in the development and manufacturing sectors. As per the report generated by the most famous Outlook magazine, the revenue growth in this sector is expected to see a huge rise in the global, regional, and country level. Widely used softwares in CAE are ProE, CATIA, SolidWorks, ANSYS, Dyna, PAMClass, Nastran, etc. To the end of the note, I would like to say that in the coming trends for CAE, it will include virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, industrial automation, 3D printing, etc. Thus, it has a wide range of scope, and no doubt you will excel in this field if you go for it. With this, I hope I am able to clear with my introduction part. So let me know for any queries on it. Till then, take care and bye bye.